Hi, everyone, and welcome to Learn English with Student Studio, the podcast that helps you speak real, practical English with confidence. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Tom. Thanks for joining us today. In this episode, you'll learn how to order coffee in English, just like native speakers do.
Let's start with a short conversation at a coffee shop. Just listen the first time.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'll have a medium latte, please.
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. Oh, and can I get almond milk with that?
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thanks.
All right. Your total is $4.50. You can pay at the counter.
Let's break it down. I'll have is a polite way to order food or drinks. Would you like it hot or iced? Iced means cold with ice. Can I get almond milk? Is a common way to customize your order.
That's all.
Means you're finished ordering.
These are super useful for ordering in English anywhere, not just coffee shops.
Now it's your turn. Let's practice speaking. We'll say a line, and then you can repeat it. Hi, I'll have a medium latte, please. Would you like it hot or iced? Hot, please. Can I get almond milk? Of course. Anything else? That's all. Thanks. Great job! Shadow speaking helps you sound more natural over time.
Here are a few extra tips. You can also say, I'd like instead of I'll have. Don't be afraid to ask, what do you recommend? If you're not sure, say, can I see the menu?
And remember, speaking slowly and clearly is okay. Most baristas will be friendly and patient.
Thanks for listening to today's episode. You practiced a real-life cafe conversation, learned useful phrases, and improved your pronunciation.
If you enjoyed this episode, hit subscribe and come back for more practice. And leave a comment. What's your favorite coffee or tea? See you next time on Learn English with Student Studio. Bye for now.